Hello, my name is Dorian, Managing Director of Champion Security Installations. We are a national security systems provider offering a complete design, installation and maintenance service. We are independent from specific manufacturers, enabling us to offer impartial advice based on your needs rather than being tied to a single supplier. We specialise in all types of commercial electronic systems, including CCTV, intruder alarms, ANPR systems, barriers, gates, fire alarms and much more. Every project is designed to suit your own specific needs with cost effectiveness in mind. For all your electronic security requirements, look no further than Champion Security Installations Ltd.